Today we are going to discuss the intelligent agent in artificial intelligence. So firstly, we will discuss here the structure of an AI agent, how the AI agent will work. So the task for that particular AI agent is to design an agent program which implements the agent function. Okay, the structure of an intelligent agent is having a combination of architecture as well as the agent program. So here we are display agent is equals to nothing but the architecture and the plus agent program. So there are three main structure, or you can say the main three terms which we have to use for the structure of an AI agent. Is first one, that is architecture. Architecture in the sense the machinery that AI agent executes on. So we can simply say that the architecture. Then the function is we are going to use that agent function to map a percept to action. So here F is having a P percept to the A, and then the agent program. So the agent program is implementation of the agent function, whatever you having a function for that particular agent, so that we are implement with respect to your program. An agent program is executes on a physical architecture to produce your final function, that is a F. So simply you can say, just take an example of the vacuum cleaner. Into the vacuum cleaner, the particular system, we are having a sensor, brushes, cameras, sensor for sensing the dust. So basically vacuum cleaner having its working to sense the dust. If there is a dust, that vacuum cleaner is going to clean it, otherwise move to the next part. Okay, so suppose you are having a 4 rooms your home, and at that you are going to place the vacuum cleaner. So you are going to provide a command. So first clean the particular room A, then go to the B, then C, then D, like that. So your vacuum cleaner is going to start from to your room A, and at that time he is going to sense the dust from the sensors whatever we are placed onto that vacuum cleaner, and sense. After sensing, if there is any dust, so next step is to clean that room and go to the next room. If there is no any dust, then directly go to the next room. So like that your architecture of that vacuum cleaner. So whatever the body part of that vacuum cleaner, that is the architecture, what is the exact function. So you have to map the percept in the sense that if there is a dust, then you have to clean it. And the program, whatever we are going to plot into that particular system, that is a step-by-step execution of your program to get a final function. So piece representation. Piece is nothing but a type of model on which your artificial intelligent agent can work. So you can simply define AI agent, or you can simply say the rational agent to it. So you can group its property under the piece representation model. P stands for the performance measure. Performance in the sense how your system is going to work. Then the environment, E stands for environment. In which environment, what are the actuator? A stands for the actuator. What are the actuators and what are the sensors for that? So just simply take an example of again a vacuum cleaner. So you are going to calculate the P, performance measures. So how your vacuum cleaner is going to clean your room. Environment, so environment is your room. Actuators, the brushes, the clothes, those all are the actuators, arms of that particular vacuum cleaner. And sensors, we are going to plot the sensors on that machine to sense the dust. So that is the piece representation of a vacuum cleaner. So here performance measure is the objective of the success of your agent behavior. So with respect to all these environment, actuator and sensor, how your machine is going to perform, so that is your success of that particular AI. Okay, so let's take again an example of the piece for the self-driving car. So performance here, first performance of self-driving car is the safety, and the time, within a minimum time you have to reach to your destination. Legal drive without any breaking any rule of the driving. Comfort, so traveling should be comfortable. Then the environment for the self-driving cars are the road, other vehicles, road signs, pedestrians. Then the actuators are for self-driving cars are the steering, accelerator, brake, gear, signal, horn, like that. And the sensors are camera, GPS, speedometer, odometer, and accelerometer, like that, for the particular self-driving cars. Then here are some agents which are having their piece representation. So medical diagnosis having performance, patient should be healthy, within a minimized cost, environment is a patient, hospital, stuff like that. Then the actuators are how you are going to diagnose your particular patient with respect to the test and treatments only. And sensors are you have to enter the symptoms, enter the in particular information of that your patients with respect to the keyboard. So keyboards are the sensors, so like that vacuum cleaner, part picking robot. Okay, so having a 3 or more examples here for the your AI aids. So what is the AI environment, agent environment in AI? So environment is everything in the world which is surrounds the agent, but it is not a part of the agent itself. Okay, means what? So your agent is a just placed into that environment. Environment is a surround of the particular agent, but your agent is a part of that environment. Okay, so agent or the environment is described as a situation in which your agent is present. Okay, so environment into that you are, how you are going to work into that. So provide your agent, so every time you are going to sense something, sensing with respect to that particular agent only. So here is the agent with respect to environment. So first one element is there. Okay. So elements, and then the percepts with in the sense from that environment you are going to perceive something, and with respect to that perceive, your sensors and actuators you are going to perform the specific action for that element only. Okay, so here all the parts or the all the your background of that particular robot is your environment, and you're having some element into that environment. So suppose here the particular robot is a vacuum cleaner, so element is nothing but a dust. So you are going to perceive something. So sensors are going to use for to perceive it. Then the actuators are simply we can say the clean actuators are cleaning the your particular room with respect to the brushes and the clothes. That is your action on that dust. Same part picking robot, element is here, element is nothing but a part. So you are going to perceive it with respect to the sensors. So your actuators, the arms of that robot are going to pick, that is action for that particular your element. So that is the agent environment into the